as far as eyes can see. So baby, come with me.